Today we're gonna plant a seed.
What plant are you going to do? Beans?
Yeah, beans.
What did you do for that?
You just put it in water and wait for some time. It will sprout. Wait for some days, and then it will sprout. Each day it will sprout so big that it will be cool. And let me just take some mud.
So you already put mud in these pots for planting?
Yeah.
What mud are you using?
Oh?
What mud are you using?
Oh,
this is the
for
buddings.
bluebirds, budding. You get these mud.
Yeah, so you use these planting mud. Okay. So now we are going
They're
to.
even
So
wet.
you're now going to plant these, right? Come.
Yeah, but they're even wet. The mud.
Yeah. So now how are we going to plant this? We're going to take a small, make a small space here.
Yeah.
Put it here.
Let's put a one here also.
Yeah. Give evenly spaced. Make small holes. Put one each in each hole.
I'll put make more holes.
No, just one each. Put one more there. Now cover it.
No,
Cover it. Slowly cover it. Lightly.
And you had to keep it safe.
Yeah, that's enough. Cover it. Now put in the other tub.
Mm-hmm.
Put the remaining in the other one.
Okay.
Yeah. Make some.
Let's give it.
Let's make some space.
Let's make a big space.
Yes. Now put in. You want to put in? Come on, put in.
I'm digging. I'm digging in. For the manure. Because we put it so much work on this, we worked so hard to plant.
No, not together. Space. There has to be space. Then space.
Yeah,
now
that's
put here.
true.
Now put
I
here.
forgot.
Put here.
I forgot. I'm sorry.
Space. Now put here. Here.
Ooh, that's cool.
Oh, enough. Now put here.
That's so cool. Let's. We need more. We have more. Let's try making another one.
No. Put here.
Right.
Put here, no, Jonah. Okay, enough.
But there's
Come here.
There's two more.
Put here and here. There's one here, space here. No.
There's one space.
No. Put here.
Did it?
Did you put?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's wait for some time.
Okay.
Wait for.
That's all planted.
Yeah.
So are you happy with your planting today?
Yay!
Okay.
It was so cool.
We'll come back and check on it
Yeah.
later.
Yeah. Let's.
Maybe we'll put some water also on it.
Yeah.
Okay.